Bleeding gum could be an indication that something is wrong in the mouth or with the whole body. Bleeding gum can be caused as a result of overzealous tooth brushing, using the wrong technique to brush, plaque and calculus accumulation around the gum, causing infection of the gum and progressing to cause so many other things, including bad breath. I have done a video on bad breath. I'm going to leave the link up there so you can click and watch when you're ready. It could also be as a result of vitamin C deficiency, hormonal imbalance, pregnancy, prolonged use of oral contraception, puberty, and hormonal changes. Also, leukemia causes bleeding gum. However, it is important to know the cause of the bleeding gum before we can treat. The cause of the bleeding gum is what will determine how to treat. When you have a bleeding gum, instead of staying at home and trying to use one remedy or the other, the best thing to do is to visit your dentist. It could be something minor, however, it could also be something major. So visit your dentist when you have a bleeding gum to determine the cause. They might have to do elimination technique, but then determine the cause, and then that would enhance treatment. But for overzealous tooth brushing, as it sounds, the best thing is to find out the best way to brush your teeth, the best technique to use in brushing, and there are lots of videos on this. I might actually end up making one video on how to brush your teeth very well. I haven't decided yet, but if I do, I would let you know. Alright guys, so when you have bleeding gum, kindly visit your dentist for proper diagnosis. Pending dental visits, the only home remedy that I can recommend is the warm saline mouthwash. That's the warm water and salt mouth rinse, and I will leave a detailed description of how to make this in the description box. Alright guys, make sure to check it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now and follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye guys.